guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going over everything that I got this month. So we're doing a collective hygiene haul, so let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So I said let's get into the box. Let's get into the boxes. I have a couple of different boxes here that we're going to go through and just to share with you some new hygiene products that I've gotten in the mail so far this month. So I just wanted to go over them with you and we can go through them together. So the first box that I have here, and if you like, first off, if you like hygiene product videos, definitely make sure that you are subscribed so you never miss another video. We do hygiene hauls, we do collective hauls, we do shop with me's. So if you like, we do empties and I tell you what's trash and what's not. So if you like videos like that, definitely make sure that you are subscribed. So the first box I have in front of me is from Sephora. It's just a smaller box. I actually have this in, if you watched, I believe it was my Christmas hygiene collective haul. I actually got a bigger version of this, but I wanted to get a different version because I heard that this one was smelling really good. So I got the 71 caramelized vanilla and macadamia body spray. Now, if you follow my channel, if you followed it for a while, you guys know that I like Sol de Janeiro. This is from Sol de Janeiro, so I love Sol de Janeiro, the Bum Bum Cream. And I actually have, I believe it's 62 body spray, but I wanted to see if this one smelled any different. Sometimes I like vanilla scent, so this is like, I wanted to see how this one would smell. Let me see if we can get this open, just so I can share with you guys if this one is worth it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is good. This smells really good. So if you like the scent of vanilla, and I still smell it, if you like the scent of vanilla, this is definitely good. And I think this is, let me see if I have my receipt, if it says here. I think this was like $20. So these are not bad, especially if you pair it with like a vanilla scented body lotion. You don't have to put so much. And anyway, I always put my fragrances on the areas of my body, and like here, and then back of my ears, my neck, and then sometimes on my shirt because I don't tend to put it directly on my skin. But yeah, this one definitely smells good. So if you like vanilla, it's definitely one that you're gonna want to add to your hygiene collection. So I would definitely recommend it, especially just because it's $20. And then they sent me different samples. So we have Versace Per Home. It says Dylan Blue. It says natural spray. And then the other one is it says sunscreen coverage. So I will open those later because I don't want to waste time on that. So let's see. Okay, the next thing I get in the mail every season is from Walmart. They have like a beauty box. Basically, they send you free samples and free products, but you pay for shipping. So it's like a couple dollars, and they always put it in here. It's free shipping, and I think you pay $5, or I think it went raised to $6, so I'm not too sure. So basically, I like to get this because they send you the products that are new to their hygiene section. So this one is, and sometimes they'll throw in something different like this. So this is liquid hydration multiplex strawberry. This the 6 count for full size is $8.98, and basically says get hydrated faster. And then the next thing we have here is from Garnier Green Labs. This is Line Soothing Serum Cream. Let me see if I can find that, just to give you guys a taste of what that is. That might have been a sample that they sent us because it's not here. Yeah, it's not here. So maybe that's a side sample that has nothing to do with the box. All right, so the next thing we have here is Covergirl. This is Exhibitions 24-hour Kohl eyeliner. So let me see. The full, oh, so this is $7.98. So just with this eyeliner, that paid for your box right there. And then they have Invisibobble, and I've mentioned this in other videos. Invisibobble, this is full size. This is $4.97 for 3. So this is going to be 3 ponytail holders, as you can see there. And then another thing we have here, which I believe they sent us before, probably not the specific one, but this is number 7 Line Correcting Booster Serum. If you got the full size version, it would be $3.98. And then another thing they have here is from Melon. Let me see if I can find Melon. Melon's not here either. So maybe they ran out of product, but this is from Melon. This is the I don't know. I'll put everything in the description box below so you guys can check this out. I can't really tell. Maybe you guys can tell what that says, but I can't really tell what that says. So it's high something. And it's not here. All right, so yeah, and the products that are listed in this description are definitely different than what we got. And the last thing we have here is from Gold Bond. This is Pure Moisture, and Gold Bond, if you got the full size, is $4.97. Obviously this is not the full size, but that was everything in the Walmart box. So that's one thing that we're done with. And then these I didn't get a chance to review on the channel, but I still wanted to share with you guys. This is from Glossybox, and basically if you like hygiene products, these are definitely, you can check them out. They always have a first box, you can check them out, but this is how this box came in this time around. This has surprised me, and this had to do with their December unique boxes that they were doing, holiday boxes for the holidays. So yeah, you see they're limited edition. I just didn't get a chance to show you guys. So I wanted to show you guys anyway, and they come like that. And like I said, your first box, there's always a deal, but that information will be in the description box below. So let's take a look here. So this is from neolastin.com. So let me see. This one is a little different, so hold on. Neolastin. Okay, so this is very, very fancy. So this one for Neolastin, let me see if it tells me what this one is. Oh, right here. All right, so for Neolastin, this is a deluxe size version. This is actually $56. If you got the full size version, it's $140. So what this one says, it is formulated with high quality and revolutionary technology. It's a moisturizer suitable for all skin types. And then the next thing we have here is Yogi Viva. This is Valentino perfume. So Yogi Viva, let's see where you are. And I don't see that here, but and they've sent me little bottles like this before. I like them because, and I can smell it here, and it smells really good. So the reason why I like those little bottles is because you don't have to commit yourself to trying to use a big bottle. Oh, I see it here. All right, so the Viva, this is a deluxe mini. This is worth $9.45. If you got the full version, it's actually $135. And this is, let's see if we can see the scent notes. Blossom and golden gardenia paired with colorful Italian bergamot and mandarin. So this one's, like I said, that one smells really good. And then the next thing we have here, it looks like that, and it says KGC, the New York Powders. Okay, so let me see if I can see what KCG is. And it is, seems like it's a glitter powder. So I'm gonna just close that just so I don't get anything on me. So this one says, this is Covergirl Cosmetics. This multifunctional loose shimmer powder is exactly what you need to add a little pop to your lock. This is actually $15 for that little shimmer, so that's crazy. I'm definitely gonna put that away until I go out. Just to add a little shimmer, and I think that's gonna be cute. You can add that as your contour too. This one we've probably all heard before. This is from Milk Makeup. This is a mini cheek and lip work Dusty Rose. This is actually $20 from Milk Makeup. So let's see how this one looks and how this one performs. Okay, so that's pretty. That's a little light color that you can add to yourself. And again, this is $20. So that's crazy. All right, so let's go to the next thing. All right, so the next thing is from Terry. Let me see if I can find Terry. So what is this? I don't see Terry. So this one seems to be a lip gloss. Yeah, it seems to be a non-colored lip gloss. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it definitely is a non-colored lip gloss. So we're gonna go to the next thing here. Maybe that was an extra bonus. This is from Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask. So let me see. This is what this one is, and this is actually $49, and it says an exfoliating scrub and face mask in one. So that's cool. You can exfoliate or do a face mask on your face. And then we have eye patches. This is Collagen Eye Patches. This is also not here, but we will go with it. And this is from La Cause. And then the next item, I believe is the last item. This is Fakai, excuse me, Fakai shampoo. Now this is $16 for the shampoo. And yeah, this is $16 for the shampoo. And it says this amazing, oh, this is CBD scalp calming shampoo. Tailored for sensitive skin and dry hair. And I think, like I said, that's it for that box. And I did have another box, so bear with me a minute. Well, you know what? We'll go in order. So I did get some Bath and Body Works also. So what I did was I actually got the last Wallflower sale that they had this month. I got some of that. Now this one was open and I can't remember the scent of this one, but I'm gonna use this next. This was like one of the newer scents. It was like a strawberry scented one. I'm not gonna figure it out, but this is kind of open, so I'm gonna put that to the side. And the next ones we have here, so this green one is Cucumber Melon, and then this one is Beautiful Day, and this one seems like it's half open, so I'm gonna have to talk to them about that one too. That's crazy. I didn't even realize that one looked like that, so let me put that to the side so I can let them know. Oh, the one that was open was Pink Watermelon, so let me just put that to the side so I can let them know about that one. And then the one that was gone was this one, and looks how that looks. Aloha Passion Fruit. Okay, so the other ones that I have here, which are all full, we have this one, Watermelon Lemonade. We have Black Raspberry. This one is Sun-Kissed Sun Washed Citrus, and this is Island Margarita. And these, now I'm looking at all of them doubly just to make sure. This one is Strawberry Pound Cake. This one is Caribbean Escape. This one is Cactus Blossom. So now you guys gave me homework because I gotta double check those two there. And then we have another Glossybox. And I have some other stuff too, so don't worry. But this is how this one came. It's actually a 10 box from Glossybox. So let me show you. And like I said, they always give you a booklet on what's inside the box. Let me just put that to the side. And it's always still wrapped in ribbon and has that sticker on the tissue. So you can give this as a gift. Okay, so the first thing we have here is New Reflection. This is, what is this? A Perfecting Polish. So let me see if I can give you guys an idea of the, so they said this might be a mystery product because I don't see that here. So let me see if I can show you guys what this one was. It mentioned a couple, like one mystery gift. So this is not listed in the booklet, but this one looks really, really bougie. So I would definitely be using that as well, just to perfect my skin. And then one of the items here for this particular box was dry shampoo in original oil, in original scent, not oil. There is no oil in dry shampoo. And then the next thing we have here is from Elmas. I love Elmas. This is Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. This actually is $22. This is a perfect recipe for dewy glow skin, silicone-free moisturizer. Excuse me. And then we have Teach Me for Education. These are teas. So I have 3 different teas here. And the single is like $1 for each, but if you get a box, it's one box of 30 is $11.98. Basically, these are renowned small individual farms in India. So that is that. And then last one, so there's 2 more items for this box. So we have a brush. So this is from LaRousse Beauty. This is $28. This is a tampered blending brush. This is LRR 120. And then we have LA Splash Moonlight Glow Palette. And this is $34. So let's see what the colors on this one were. So as you can see here, there was like a theme to this box. And it's really, really cute. I'm assuming it's blue. Oh no, this is, let me show you guys. So this is 4 shades palette, 2 blushes, 1 bronzer, and a highlight. So you can definitely grab this and go, throw this in your purse and go. And then that's it for the box. Like I said, if you like hygiene products, then you definitely want to check them out, and I'll have their info in the description below. And then, and I'll put this in the description box below too. This is from Influencer. Basically, they send you products to review because they want your feedback. So this was like an all new year kind of box that they sent us. It just took a long time for me to get it. So this is super random, but this is all purpose in the raw. This is, it says perfectly blended to taste like sugar. I've never tasted this brand before. I know it's out there, but I've never seen this actual package. So usually they send you products that are not out there yet. So if you tasted this, let me know if that's any good. And it comes with other different random products too. So this is one. It says glazed and amused. This is maple glazed donut. This is the 1 bar. And then another product they sent was poreless skin cream. Let me see. This is from Kors. This is Centauri Grape Poreless Skin Cream. So yeah, those are different products there that you get to try. And like I said, Influencer is totally free, so you can check them out. And then I have, and that's it. So that is all I got this month. I'm trying to think. I think the best product I've got this month so far was this one from Sol de Janeiro, because I just like the vanilla scent products. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what has been your favorite product so far this month, and what has been your go-to, just continuous years upon years that you've gone to, and maybe I can check that out for another collective haul video. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.